everyone. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am back at you again with another DIY project. I'm going to try to keep this video very brief. You know that's hard for me, but I'm going to try to do that. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're going to do a pretty easy, I feel like it's easy, a boho backdrop, okay? And we're going to be using the Oriental Trading backdrop frame that I featured in my last video. We're going to use that, and we're going to go for greenery. Okay, so boho weddings are all about greenery, very little flowers, so I think this is going to come out awesome, and I did it on their super duper cheap. All right, so I'm just going to showcase maybe 2 or 3 things real quick, and then I will detail it later on in the video. So basically, let me show you what's going to be the basis of this of the backdrop, and it's going to be this garland right here. Now I got this from Joann's Fabrics. This retails for $14.99. It's from the Silk Vision collection at Joann's Fabrics, but I used a 50% off coupon and I got 2 of them for $15. Okay, so I just did 2 separate transactions, used 2 50% off coupons that they were giving you after your purchase, and I was able to get this for $15. And it's a really nice size. It doesn't detail the size on here, but it looks like it's about probably about 8 or 9 feet. So we're going to be using this to embellish the curtains for our backdrop. And then I'm going to detail, let me get this out of the way. This is absolutely gorgeous, by the way. So let me get up close so you can see it. Okay, all vines, very pretty. And I'm also going to show you how to make this greenery swag. It was not hard at all. All of the materials came from Joann's Fabrics, and it was very inexpensive. So I'll detail that for you, but let me just give you a quick rundown. It was basically 4 pieces of greenery, and then the front piece was actually part of their Christmas florals or Christmas greenery, and I got it for 70% off, so that was awesome. So just a little close up so you can see what it looks like. I think it looks amazing, and I'm going to detail this for you in a few minutes. Okay, and then we're also going to be using this terranium, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. When you see these, move on them right away because they go very quickly. Okay, so they're the large terraniums, and we're going to be using this as well. We're also going to be using some ivory ribbon and some white ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to get right into it. Alright guys, so these are our supplies to make our greenery swag that's going to go on top of our backdrop frame. And I will tell you the supplies that I'm using. I am using 2 of these really nice fern type things, and I got these. You can get this from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and they retail for about anywhere from $4.99 to $5.99 each. So this is what I'm going to be using, and this is going to fan out to make our swag. I'm using 2 of these little bush type things. I don't know what you call these, but like ivory type deal. I don't know the name of this greenery, and I'm using 2 of these, and these are $5.99 at Michael's. I used a 50% coupon, and I got them for $3 each. I also went over to the Christmas section because they have 70% off right now. Snow and glitter type leaves, and I think this is going to give it a good look, and this was 70% off. It actually came with a whole piece to it, and I just pulled these away, and I got that for like $3. I'm going to be using some snowberries as well, and I've taken these snowberries off of a arrangement that I had before. And I am using this beautiful Christmas succulent. This was 70% off, so it's $2.70. This is really gorgeous. I got this from Michael's, and it has a sparkling snow and glitter on it. I think this is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to pull it away from the stem because the stem is very long, and I'm going to use this section, and this is going to be the middle part of the swag. So let's put this thing together. I'm going to be using clear stretch cord to tie everything together, and you can pick this up at Walmart. The next step is to use this terrarium planter. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I knew that I would use these eventually, but these are really huge. I'm not quite sure what size it is, but they sold these at the Dollar Tree, and trust me, they go, okay? They are out of here. As soon as they get them, they're gone. So we're going to use 2 of these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some satin ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and just tie a bow around the front of the I'm going to tie a bow right around the handle. And come around. And I'm going to use this fast cap tape. This tape is awesome. This is industrial double-sided tape, and it is fantastic. This tape is absolutely awesome. Once you get it on there, it's not coming off, and it just gives you a really clean finish. And now our terrarium is ready to be hung up onto our background frame, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I made one in purple, and I filled the other one with the cabbage rose, and I made that one in cream. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to take this loop right here, and we want to push a piece of ribbon through this loop. Now whatever curtain color you're using, use the same color ribbon. I'm using an ivory curtain, so I'm going to use ivory ribbon. And then what I did was I put some double-sided tape on the very end where I'm going to be attaching it. So I put some industrial double-sided tape on here, and again I'm just going to push this ribbon right through this loop here, and then I'm going to attach this to the uppermost pole of our backdrop and secure it. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it looks like when you attach it to the pole with the ribbon. Alright everyone, so we have one side draped already, and all I did was just pull it to the side and tuck it behind the white ribbon, and I'll do the same with the other one. So there we have it, guys. Super simple, and all I did was basically just pull the garland into the ribbon on the side, and there you have it. It looks absolutely lovely. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and hang up our terrariums, and these are it. Alright, so we have hung up our large globes, our terrariums, and I think it looks amazing. It looks absolutely beautiful. And now we're going to finish it off by putting our swag on the top. This is the swag that we completed, and I'm going to go ahead and mount it with some zip ties. Alright everyone, so there we have it. We have our beautiful boho backdrop, and I think this came out amazing. It was very easy to do, didn't take much time at all, and we did it on the cheap. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at onehipsister. I will see you guys in the next DIY video. I have something amazing to show you in the next DIY video, so please stay tuned, and I'll see you then. Have a awesome day. Alright, bye-bye.